At some point, you will apply for something and not get it. You will try for someone and be turned down. You will put yourself out there and be told no. This video is about what you do next. Rejection hurts. I'm not going to tell you it doesn't. Whether it's a job, a relationship, a team, a school, being told you're not wanted stings every single time. But here's where most people go wrong. They take the rejection personally. They turn "I didn't get the job" into "I am not good enough." Those are two completely different things. A rejection is a decision made by one person on one day based on incomplete information about you. It is not a verdict on your worth. Think about every person you admire who built something real. Every single one of them was rejected, repeatedly, before anything worked. The rejection didn't break them, but it did something important. It showed them where to adjust, where to grow, what to try differently. What you must never do is let a rejection decide who you are. The moment you start believing the no, you stop trying, and that is the only real failure. Here's what the strongest people do instead. They feel the pain, fully. They don't pretend it doesn't hurt. Then they ask one honest question. Is there something I can learn from this? Not, what's wrong with me, but what can I do better? Sometimes the answer is yes, there's something to improve. Sometimes the answer is no, it simply wasn't the right fit. Both are valid. Both move you forward. The people who handle rejection well aren't tougher than you. They've just learned not to make it mean more than it does. Your worth is not decided by who accepts you. It was never up for a vote. Keep going. Keep trying. Keep putting yourself out there, knowing that every no brings you one step closer to the yes that matters. My child, being rejected means you were brave enough to try. And the ones who keep trying after every no, those are the ones who end up building something worth having. And now, choose your next lesson.